Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advanced, Paper 1, Physics in the year 2021. The question is based on the integer type. So if you get this right, you get +4, otherwise you get 0 marks. The question was simple, based on the topic of Stephen's law, and there was nothing difficult about this. So let's see what's happening over here. There's a large sphere which is maintained at 0 Kelvin. At the center, we have kept a very small object whose initial temperature is 200 Kelvin. Both are to be both of them, like sphere as well as the small object, we have to treat them as black bodies. At t equals to 0, the temperature of the small object is 200 Kelvin. The sphere will be maintained at 0 Kelvin. So after time t1, the temperature of the smaller this small object becomes 100 Kelvin, and after time t2 measured from t equals to 0, the temperature becomes 50 Kelvin. Okay, so you have to find the ratio T2 by T1. We have to assume that heat capacity of this is independent of the temperature. That means it is constant. Now we can simply apply Newton's law of cooling. So since it is at surrounding is at 0 Kelvin, so it will not be getting any heat. It will only be radiating heat. That means it will only be emitting heat. So let's say at any time t, its temperature is T1. So we can say that the by Stephen's law, the rate of heat loss will be A into sigma into T1 to the power 4. Okay, emissivity is 1. This should be equals to net dq by dt. Okay, and this can be written as minus ms into dt1 by dt. Right, T1 is the instantaneous temperature of this body. Okay, now from here we can see that dt1 upon t1 ki power 4, that should be equals to a sigma upon ms minus n dt. Right, we can integrate this. So value of T1 initially was 200. Let's say at any time T1, at any time T it becomes T1. This will be from 0 to T. So if you integrate this, what do we get? Minus 1 upon 3 T1 cube, right? Minus 3, yeah. 200 to T1. That should be equals to minus A sigma T upon ms. So we see from here that 1 upon T1 cube minus 1 upon 200 cube will be equals to 3a sigma upon ms into T. So we can call this as some constant. Let 3a sigma upon ms is nothing but some alpha. Okay. So now if you see at T1, like at small time T1, temperature T1, capital T1 becomes 100. So if you put capital T1 as 100, so 1 upon 100 cube minus 1 upon 200 cube will be equals to alpha into T1, right? Alpha into T1. And similarly, 1 upon 50 cube minus 1 upon 200 cube will be equals to alpha into T2. This is what we have to find. We have to find T2 by T1. So if you just divide equation 2 by equation 1, so you will get T2 by T1. Okay, and it comes out to be 9. You can solve this. It's very easy to solve. 100 cube you can take common and it will get cancelled. So when you solve this, you get T2 by T1 as 9. So 9 should be the correct answer for this question. That's it. Thank you.